Hey baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. So let's get into this tutorial as promised. This is how to pretty much get your brushes on flat so you can get a bomb cut crease. So this is one of the products that I use. This is one of the stars of the show. This is the Morphe it's a Morphe Translucent eyelid primer. You don't have to use this specific primer. This is just something that I had, but you can use any eyelid primer. So I'm going to use that and pretty much saturate my brush in it. I think that's, what type of brush is that? That is BH Cosmetics. I want to say it's the V12 brush. I'm not sure. But that's one of the brushes that I pretty much use to cut my crease. So I'm going to, like I said, take and saturate that primer all in that brush. See that? It's already getting flat. So then we're going to move on to all those other brushes that you see there. Do the exact same thing. That's a Wet n Wild brush. Any flat brushes that you use, any flat dense brushes that you use would be ideal for this. Work that in. And you can even use it for the brushes that you use to do your eyebrows as well. And any, like I said, any flat brush that you have. Whatever you use, you can use the brushes that you use to clean up underneath your brows, the brushes that you use to do your eyebrows with, the brushes that you use to cut your crease with. This is like that. This brush got so flat because it's thin, but it's not that thin brush. Look at that. You can cut yourself with that brush, honey. It's so sharp. And you can take it and pinch it and work it down to where it's really, really flat and put more product on if you need it. All right, so this is what some of the brushes look like after. This is me flattening out. Get it flat, honey, because we want the bombest cut crease ever. All right, so next star of the show, this is my eyelash glue by Tarte. This is the Tarteist Pro. This particular eyelash glue, it dries clear, but any eyelash glue that you have, I wouldn't say the black eyelash glue, but if you have anything that's clear, I would say you can use that you can use that as well. So I'm working that in on all the brush, the front, the back, the sides, and the top. And then we're going to let that dry. We're going to set it to the side and let it dry. You paint it like you're painting your fingernails, honey. Moving on to my other brush. This brush I got off of, I want to say eBay. At the time I was shopping on eBay. I'm an Amazon girl now, but I think I got this brush in a kit off of eBay. But she makes a bomb cut crease / clean up underneath your brows, top of your brows type of brush. All right, so this is after the product is on and is dry. This is e.l.f. I think it's an eyeliner. But I'm going to show you how sharp these lines are. So this is my eyebrow pencil that we've done. Watch this. I didn't pick up any product. But your line is like so thin and precise. Look at that. Bam. Like, step your game up. Step it up, baby. And this is going to get you there. This is a different brush. Look at that one. Bam. All right, so check this out. This is the brush that I use to cut my crease, go up underneath my brows, all of that. It's smooth. And the scissors, I didn't show that part, but use the scissors to cut those jagged edges. But look at that. Look how bomb that is. Baby, you're going to be in the game, honey. Look at that. You're going to be in the game. show you with another brush. Just take it whenever you do your cut creases, you put product on both sides of the brush and make sure that the brush is, you know, fully covered. Check me out. Check me out. Look at that. Baby, you finna slay, honey. You finna slay. Thank me later. You can thank me later. But this is pretty much the technique that I've been doing. I think I saw a tutorial on YouTube and I found it. But that's it, baby. That's all you need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I got bands in the coop. Touch me, I'll shoot. Bow, sugar.